Thought I would take a little video of this before it gets all covered up and disappears and we'll never be able to see it again. This here is Devin's bathroom, and we're getting the cement board down on the floor. We're putting down a modified thin set underneath the cement board, and then we're screwing it down to the floor. And we can come over here and we can kind of see the subfloor. The subfloor, we removed all of the existing subfloor and sistered on joists onto the existing joists, a 2x8, and the original floor joists in this room were a rough cut 2x8, so the floor joists are substantially beefed up from where it was. And these go out onto the block foundation and then come back and sit on top of this beam that goes across here. So in here you can see there's radiant tube heating on top of the subfloor that we put in here. So right over in here is the subfloor that we put on top of the new 2x6s. We leveled everything, and then we put that subfloor down. Then I cut strips of the same material, and these are 6.5 inches, I believe, apart. I mean, 6.5 inches wide. And then we glued and screwed that down to the subfloor, which left room for these tubes to go through here. And they come up right over there next to the bucket. And then it snakes back and forth across the floor. And then we put these aluminum fins, which fit down into the groove, and then the tube snaps into that. Then this was glued to the floor with the cement board, and then it was screwed off in between all those tracks. So that is how this all come together, and you can kind of see it over here in more detail. Same idea, and then it disappears down there into the corner. So this is it feels very stiff now. So that's what I'm going to work on tonight. I'm going to try to get the rest of the cement board in here, which is 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 sheets. That's what I'm going to work on tonight.